Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. This video I would like to share with you one of the best app. I've been using it almost last 2 years, and this app it's really wonderful, very useful. It's for traveling. When you travel, you or your family, your friends, and you want to find a place to stay. And as you know, hotels could be expensive, but this app it's all include all in one. And so on your smartphone you can either download it for your laptop, or but in smartphone it's really good and very easy to use. So here I just click on I have so many apps here, but for to find the app, it's called Airbnb, just for air urban, and here it is. So this app actually as soon as you open it, it looks like this. Ask you where are you going, and let's say Toronto, Ontario, and here place to monthly stay, finding experience, or find day, you can everything. Let's say if for example, like I'm flexible. Here you choose weekend or month or so. Let's say choose anyone from November, or yeah, let's say October. Next, adults, for example, choose like two kids or something, and search. So here it shows you the map and the places, and of course this app is like the cheapest so far I found. You will find a lot of apps like for to find hotels, uh, renting and stuff like that, but this one I found it is the cheapest, and it's very convenient to use. And here you can see all the area. You can zoom in and out, and choose. You see those amount here, you see like 123, that's a day. And if you click on anyone, like let's say this one for example, there's so many here. You can change the area. You can do a lot of things in this app, but I'm just showing you a quick to give you an idea. So if I choose this, I click on this one and it shows me here. So I click again, this is the pictures, and this one it's a 2-bedroom and entire guest. So all information. The picture here you see this the owner and or the landlord, or so entire home. It's an entire home, and everything you need, it's here. Everything, like all the information, rules, check in, check out, pricing, everything. If you want to contact the owner with before booking, you can just say contact host, and just write a message or something, and they will get back to you if you need any more information, questions, concerns, or anything else. And of course, like house rules, health and cancellation policy and everything. So just giving you a quick information about this app, how it works. This app it's like a third party, so it charge you a little bit extra, and they charge the owner of the property also a little bit, but it works for both, for renter and the host also. It works for both. It's very convenient, and also like I use it a few times, and it's really wonderful. If you want to choose this house, all simply by click reserve, and it shows you the address, the map, and everything else. The cancellation, actually there's like, you have to read in case of cancellation. Here are the cancellation policy. You see here is it within free cancellation within 48 hours, so that's about a week or so. But each place you find that they have specific rules and different things and so on. So, and this is how it works. And of course, if you want to change, like let's go back again. Here, when you I forgot to tell you, actually, when you download this app, they will ask you for email and password and so on. This is the profile, so you need to add all your information and everything else. Okay, and once you book or reserve a place to stay, here are the trip. Once you click on trip, see we got recently two trips here. one in Surrey, BC, and the other one in Calgary. And so here's, like, for example, here's one we were in July 26. We checked out on July 30th. And so yeah, this is the place, and distance, mapping, everything, address, total. We stayed for about 4 days. We were like a big family, 7-person family, and cost us $878. So that's a really great deal actually. If we I mean, it's hard to stay in a hotel since we have kids and everything, but it was a main floor, entire main floor, and three big bedrooms and everything. I also put I have a video. I'll put the video just before the end of this video. Also, you can see the house we rented, and it's beautiful. So that's other one here. It's in Calgary also, and this one in 2019, June 7. Also, we were like a big family, 7-person family, and we stayed. I think it was yeah, just I think it was a day. I forgot, a day or so, but yeah, I don't know what it says here. So Friday check-in June 7, June. Oh yeah, just one day. So you can see $175, which is really great deal for 7-person family, and it was really wonderful. So that's the app, and there's a lot of things here. You can choose like wish list, search again, and if you want to go back, and of course this is the how it works. And so all the information you'll find, it's available here, everything you need pretty much. And Urban also, they have their own customer service phone number if you want to contact help. See, when you click here, there's a so our community policy there about host, contact us here, and see there's a chat, or you can yeah, this is how it works. Very good app actually, very wonderful. And so that's the app, and then you'll see shortly right after this the house we rented in Surrey, BC. Here you can see if I choose a city, for example, Canmore or anywhere, I think this is available pretty much all in North America, and I'm not sure if it's like international, Europe or so. This is, I haven't checked yet, but so when you click here on those little 2 dots, here you can choose the place you want, like all the services, and like accommodations and so on. So if you want to choose Wi-Fi, free parking, enter, so on, dryer, kitchen, you see, type of the place you want to stay. Is it like a private room, hotel room, or so on? And you see, this is the beds, like how many beds, how many bedroom, how many bathroom, super host, and you can choose this on and off. You see that, and accessibility, and so on. So this heating, air conditioning, and so yeah, gym, hot tub, and you know, there's so much things, pets allowed or not, you know, something like that, condominium or so on. The English, the language you prefer, like English, French, Japanese, show all. There's more languages here, and smoke allow or not, so on. So there's, you know, there's a lot of plenty options you can choose. Very flexible, very useful, and also helpful actually. And you know, so that's how basically. And of course the number you see here, like for example, if I choose this number here, you see they always have discount. That's the great thing about this app. So the discount changing pretty much like every 3-4 hours or so. Sometimes change every few days. It depends on the season, on the date, time, and everything. So here the regular price, it was like 300 something, but here you see it's 175 a night. For that I choose 4-person. So that's how it works. So there's always discount, so for guests, and so on. So and so once if you click here, reserved, see, this is ask you, you have to pay by Visa and or a PayPal or something if you have an account with PayPal. But so before you book in, just make sure that you contact the host, and because sometimes when you cancel, you might not get full refund back, probably half or so, and it may take longer or so. So just make sure everything is set, you are completely decided, and contact the host, correspond like messages and so on, make sure everything is okay. Then once you're ready, you can book in, reserve the place, and it's all set. So that's how simple is it. And so now let's go to see the house we rented at Siri BC, and we'll continue from there.
So this is the entrance. This is the stairs to go up. This is the bathroom. This is the master bedroom.